Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen spatial Android 9 Pie system head unit for Kia Soul 2013 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Open the box. And you can check this Kia Soul head unit. Okay, let me introduce this standard doubling. Let me introduce honey set first. You can check this special harness for Kia Soul, and this audio combo. This audio out left and right, rear left and right, and this subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, and these two honeys for backup camera. This camera input. This backup camera connector, and this connector. Original backup camera. This canvas box. Okay, this AUX input left and right, and this mechanics. Okay, Kia and Hyundai power cable. Okay, this is harness. It will come with GPS antenna and remote controller. This camera input, aftermarket camera input. This connect to back head unit, and this audio cable. This subwoofer. This video output 1 and 2, and this audio cable left and right, front and rear. Okay. This AUX connect to back head unit, and this AUX input left, AUX input right, and this video input. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this head unit. This front seats have DVD slot, and this button up is microphone IR, and those buttons SD card, 2 SD card slots. Okay, you can check the side, and please check there are 2 screws. Please take out before installing. It's just fix DVD in the shippings. Okay. Let me check back of head unit. You can check this power, this fuse, this GPS, and those connector for audio, AUX, and other cable. This Wi-Fi antenna, this radio, this GPS. Okay, you can check the LAN cable two USB cable and external microphone. Okay. Okay, let me power the unit with 12 voltage. Connect back power cable and power 12 voltage. Okay, long cable you can check, two USB cable. The head unit start. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can check head unit started. Okay, let me check. You can check this adjust brightness with high and low. Okay, long press you can change the wallpaper, leave wallpaper and wallpapers image. Okay, this is radio. Click search button, it will get the radio stations. This home button. This date and time, it's updated by GPS or Wi-Fi. Okay, you can check head unit very fast response and have DSP amplifier and this Z-Link app already built in the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in head unit. Just connect with USB cable. It works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. And it built in Google Maps. Built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's network support 4G, but need a 4G modem from us. It's Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. Just connect with Wi-Fi. And let me check the about machine. You can check MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, and chip PX5 octa-core, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. ROM. We check the car setting, personal setting. This power or delay AC autoplay music from USB or SD card. There are two SD card slots. This power and volume button. Volume button works. This knob button you can check. Next and the next is okay. It also work. Let me check settings and car setting. LED settings, you can choose red, green, blue, blue button color and orange, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and navigation settings, it supports Google Map here, Sagic, Waze, and other navigation. You can install it from Google Play Store. It's a driver setting, reverse volume, turn on or turn off. It's watch video, you can turn on or turn off. And rear, ruler, reverse tracking plane, X mirroring. It supports steering wheel controls. Our all-head unit supports steering wheel control buttons. Okay. Okay. That's all. Thank you.